Welcome. In front of me is a Realme Note 50, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So, to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. From here, we're obviously looking for the hotspot toggle. If it's not visible on the first page, you can swipe to the left and this will show you additional pages, assuming it's gonna swipe. There we go. And let's see, is it somewhere here? Okay, so going back. It looks like it's not added by default, so we will need to do it ourselves by clicking right over here on this pencil and swipe down, and you'll find hotspot toggle. Grab it, you'll see that the text right here changes, and we can drag it above this text, drop it, and when we go back, we should have access to it on one of the pages. Once you see it, hold it the first time around, and from here this will quickly take you to the settings, so you can just select hotspot password and then realize that the password that is set by default is absolutely horrendous. So I do recommend removing it and setting up your own new password, which will need to have 8 characters in length. That can be letters, numbers, both, doesn't really matter, as long as it's 8 in length. From there, click on OK to save it. Now, I do recommend keeping the rest of the settings as they are, as those settings will give you the best versatility. If you don't know what they do, that's going to be probably the best kind of option for you. So we can close this and then find the toggle once more, and now we can just simply tap on it. And this will turn on our hotspot. Once you're done using your hotspot, you can tap on it once more to turn it off. Now, one more thing that I want to check in here is we do have the option right here enabled by default, which is turn off hotspot automatically when no devices are connected. Now this is kind of like a timer. I don't know exactly how long it is, maybe 10-20 minutes or so, at which point the hotspot will turn off automatically. Now, if you forget about your hotspot, it's going to automatically disable itself after a certain amount of time, which is a good thing. I don't recommend turning that off, as hotspot will consume more of your phone's battery, and if you're not using it, there is really no reason for it to be running in the background. And I do want to check one more thing. On this device, it turns off Wi-Fi as well, as it uses the same antenna, so it can do 2 things at the same time. So you can see it's right now, Wi-Fi is off while hotspot is enabled, and if I go back, come on, turn off the hotspot, you can see that the Wi-Fi is now enabled. So something to keep in mind. Anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.